Hey y'all, it is flow time. So get in your most comfortable onesie and get ready to work with some flows. For today, obviously, we're moving right along with this series and we're looking to delete all of the related task records, those incomplete task records, once a engagement plan is deleted. First thing we'll have to do is generate a record triggered flow. And the triggering object is going to be the engagement plan that you're deleting off of the related opportunity or contact or account record, whatever it might be. Either way, you've deleted an engagement plan and you want to remove all of those incomplete tasks that were created as a result of adding that engagement plan. We're going to trigger when a record is deleted, and you can leave everything else as is. We want this flow to run before the record is deleted. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to get all of the task records that are related to the engagement plan that was deleted. I'll put a descriptive amount of text in here just so if anybody else were to open up this flow, they'd be able to understand exactly what's going on. We're going to go ahead and get records of the task object. And what we want to do is make sure that the engagement plan referenced on that task record is the same as the one that is triggering this flow. This field is the one that we talked about in the previous video that references the engagement plan record on the related object. We're also going to make sure that this is not a completed task by ensuring that the status field does not equal completed. We are also going to store all records so that we can loop through all of them and delete them later on. And that is actually the next step. I'm just going to go ahead and add a loop. This loop will loop through incomplete task records related to the deleted engagement plan. We'll reference the collection variable that we just created, and first item to last item is totally fine for direction. For each of those task records, well, we're just going to go ahead and delete them. Deletes the task related to the engagement plan that was removed. We're going to use the current item from this loop. And folks, that is it. You go ahead and save this flow and you try to delete an engagement plan record. You can see there's a bunch of activities on. There's a bunch of tasks related to these engagement plans. I'm going to go ahead and delete both of them. And you'll see all of these activities will start to disappear, saving us a ton of time. In the next video, we'll talk about adding back an engagement plan so that we are only adding back those previously incomplete tasks. If I were to add an engagement plan, for example, and let's say I got through a portion of them, maybe I got through the send email introduction and the email asks, but I didn't finish these two, and I deleted this one, you're going to see the completed ones stay, the incomplete ones go. If I add back the same engagement plan, I've already made the email introduction and the email ask. I'll show you in the next video how to add back only those previously incompleted ones if that's what you want. So stay tuned.